I'm now going to demonstrate how to get Pro Cecile and how to sign in and sign up, and also explain the payment flow. To get to procecile.com, one only has to type pro.rcecile.com. Press enter and this page will appear immediately. If you want to test the system, it is necessary that you first sign in, and then you have to create your account. You put in your name. I'm just going to use a fictitious name now for purposes of this video, and I'm going to put in a fictitious email address. And then I'm going to enter a password. Now this is exactly the way that you will get into the platform in order for you to test. You get 3 free searches to test the system, after which you will be asked to sign up. So the first thing is sign in. I've put in my name and email, and then I click start with 3 free searches. The system will now open and show that you are now in the system. The name I used was test. You have 3 free searches left. Now let me just quickly do 3 free searches to show you what happens. I'm going to type what is dollars eventualis, and of course you can change the country, but let's leave it at South Africa. Also the kind of research. I click research. So this research will execute and it will show that 2 free questions are left. It takes a moment to execute. So what the system now does is it takes your query, goes and researches the result, prepares an answer, and it will show in this UX like it does now. The purpose of this video is not to show you how it works, but shortly it gives you a summary, it gives you a legal analysis, and it refers you to key cases which you can all go and verify. Let me ask a next question to get to the payment modal. Let me ask, what is premeditated murder? So that will then deduct 1 search. It is now researching what I have asked. One can obviously, just while this is running, the search is running, upload a document in order for the system to analyze that document, give possible search queries, and also analyze the facts. It gives you a full chronology and so forth. I have explained that in previous videos. So here is a summary again about premeditated murder. You will see that there's 1 search left. Let me just show you how to upload a document to use the last search. Let me just upload a amended particulars of claim. This will take a bit longer. Let me first clear the search and I start a new session. One must always do that. I forgot to do it. Now I will upload a document again. You can upload Word documents or PDF. It's much faster, the system, if you upload a Word document instead of a PDF, but both those documents can be uploaded, and remember, one can upload up to 20 documents at a time. The total is about 20 megabytes that one can upload. So now the system has uploaded the amended particulars of claim. I can now analyze the case, and that counts as a search. The system is now analyzing the document. It takes about 90 seconds depending on the size of the document or documents that were uploaded. So the system now runs, extracts the text, analyzes the text and will give a summary, as we will see soon. While I'm here, remember that there's a drafting function. There is also a history function that will show you all the searches that you've done, so that you never lose it. You can resume, or you can open the search. But let's get back to the research. It is still busy analyzing the amended particulars of claim that I have uploaded. Just for an example. While I'm here, always remember that in order to get a full manual on how to work with Pro Cecile, one click that button there and it will open this page, which gives you a full description and tips how to use the platform. The search analyzing of the document is still running. It will be here soon. Let me show you another feature while we are waiting. One can change the mode of the screen that you see at that button, the moon there, to dark mode, or one can change it to light mode. You will also see that one can also always confirm the number of documents that was uploaded. There is, and the number of characters that's uploaded, and there is the name of the document that was loaded. In this instance, it's only 2 pages, but the platform analyzes this document fully, and you will see the results which it will give in a few moments. If you want to log out, you just press that button, you log out from the system. Remember that one can only log in with one device at a time. One cannot share your passwords, and you cannot share devices. You will see there that it now analyzed that document. Because you've used your free searches, that is 3, it will now ask you to upgrade to Pro. You have to subscribe to do further research. The price is 399 rands per month, billed via in rands via PayFast. And if you click subscribe now, a page will open which takes you to the PayFast page, where you enter your card number and you then just click pay. Remember that you can insert your card number, or if it's already stored on your computer, like many of these systems these days do, it will be there. So I'm not going to subscribe now, or pay now, because this was only to show you. So thank you for watching this video. This is a short video showing how to get to Pro Cecile, how to sign in, and how to subscribe. Thank you for watching.